large motor medics. I've got a Hyundai i10 here on a 2014 plate. Just doing a brake light bulb on this. It's a 382 bulb. You can find in the description the link for it as well. Just before I do that, I'm going to check it. Can you press the brakes for me, please? As you can see, that one there is working, but both of the sides aren't working. So it's definitely the bulb. I'm going to show you how to let go of the brakes. Now, it is quite a simple procedure. So you've got a Phillips screwdriver you need. A Phillips screwdriver. So you've got 1, 2 and 3, but this one's missing. This one's got the 3 on there. So I'm going to do this one first because there's already one missing. So undo the screw first. Once you undo the screw, take this one out as well. Once you've done both of them, all you then do is on the other side here, you've got a lug on this side here. So all you do then is trying to pull the cluster out all the way towards you. So you can see it just popped out. That's it. So these are the 2 little lugs that slots in there. So once you've got them out, it's the top bulb we need to replace. So it's this one here. Like I said, it's a 382 bulb. Oops, I've dropped that, broke it. No problem. I then lift this up, take the bulb out, get the new bulb in. Now there's only one way this bulb would go as well, but before I put it in, I'm just going to double check the brakes. Can you press the brakes? Yeah, let go. That's it. So all I now do is put it back together. So you've got these little locators which slots in there. So the biggest one there would go around about there, and then just double check the seals. So slot it in, slightly in an angle, and that's it, job done. I then slot the lugs in, push it in, job done. We're going to quickly do this side as well so you guys know we've done both of them. So I'm going to undo this one. So you've got a screw here, a screw on this side. But just remember, when you do take all the screws out, put them back in as well. I will do it in a bit. But for you guys, just going to show you how to remove them. So same thing again. They are quite tight. So here we go. Job done. All I need to do is do the top one. So same thing again. Take the bulb out. It's a single filament bulb, a 382. So that's the bulb right there. Slot the bulb in. And then same thing again. This would only go one way. You then slot the lugs in. Job done. We're just going to check the brakes. Can you press the brakes for me, please? As you can see now, both of them are working. The middle one's working anyway. So if there is anything else you need to know, please do let us know. Drop in a message or something, and check out the playlist for Hyundai and the bulb playlist as well. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.